What's up, guys? Today I got a Eevee Heroes booster box to open up. It's the hottest new set from Japan. We already opened up a few of them because I couldn't wait. And, well, yeah. Open up the rest right now for y'all. We already pulled, I think, an Espeon and a Glaceon V, I believe. So let's try and get some other stuff. Put the packs over here. And got Espeon number on here for good luck. Let's see. But there's one to the front, and we got Eevee, Rotom, Smeagol. I don't know what that is. On the first pack. Hope y'all's day is going good. I don't know if it's gonna be up, but whatever it is, hope y'all's day is going good and everything. One to the front. We got something in the back. Eevee, Eevee, and an Umbreon VMAX. That's pretty dope. Got the sleeves right here to sleeve it up. Of course, the Eevee ones from the Shining Fates. Gotta put that one in the sleeve. And we also got an Eevee, but I already got that Eevee. Bada boom. First hit, second pack magic. Now on the third pack. It's getting easier to open up and everything. Let's see. Is that the Voltorb? Got a Meryl and we got a Persian. It's our first booster box. Hopefully we get some good ones in here. I don't know if I like buying another one because it's expensive. Slugma. Persian, I'm buying another one though, or buy the cards right out that I don't get. Hoping for at least one alt art work. Middle tick. Mantine. That one's pretty cool. One to the front. And Meowth. Making a mess over here. Electrode, Rotom, Mudkip, and I forget the name. I can't read the cards because, you know, they're all Japanese. Pincer. I don't know how many packs already opened up, but let's see. Kangaskhan, I always like that one. The Kick. Meryl. And we got Leafeon. Is that that's a V? Leafeon V. That one looks pretty dope as well. Gotta sleeve it up and everything. Swampert, Pikachu, Mantine, nothing. Oh, and we got the Umbreon V. I believe that's the alt art, but I could be wrong on that. That has Pinsir. Another Pokemon in it. That one looks freaking dope. All these cards look dope, but this one was one of my personal favorites in it. Let's see. 3 hits. Well, we got the other 2 as well from the other pack, so 5 hits so far. Swampert, Macargo, and an Entei. Yeah, that one's freaking dope as well. I'll sleeve that one. Got that one. If you know this video, make sure you go check out our videos. There's a whole bunch of content on the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. And we have more Pokemon content along with some wrestling content, horror movie reviews, different other types of stuff that we do on the channel. Different types of content. And an Espeon V. Got an Espeon to go with the Umbreons and the Leafeon. Pikachu, Smeagol, Macargo. I think we're down to our last 4 packs. Last 4. Let's see. Eevee and a Raichu. Last 2 now. And Zombert, very nice. And this is the last pack. Let's see if we get anything good in it. And it with the pincer. Oh, pincer, Ichigeki. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. These were the Eeveelution hits. Got Espeon V, Umbreon V, Umbreon VMAX, and a Leafeon V. Alright, thanks for watching.